Great to be here as we break ground on a project that reflects the kind of future we are building in San Francisco. One that brings together education, housing, and community investment. We do not have to choose between preserving historic buildings and building new homes. By reusing this landmark building, we are continuing the McAllister Tower legacy while giving it new life.
Our downtown revitalization is only possible when we have students and people living here, when we build housing. When you have housing, in turn, you have people who subsidize the local small businesses. When the small businesses are thriving, we revitalize our economy. And so this is really the solution when we talk about downtown revitalization. The academic village is downtown revitalization.
Tenderloin is an extraordinary neighborhood with just extraordinary people from around the world, so many children, small businesses, and it's a community to be celebrated, and UC Law is celebrating it by investing and reinvesting in this neighborhood by building and expanding this critical institution.
It really is a university-like feeling at the level of NYU or Boston University that, you know, San Francisco is us and we are San Francisco.
We're in a time now where we need to focus on our communities. We can't do much about the broader world, but we can certainly make our communities strong, vibrant, and resilient.
This groundbreaking ceremony today marks one of the most continuous and ambitious construction programs in the Civic Center area over the last 25 years. The results of this building will assure that UC Law can continue in its mission to produce excellent lawyers and to promote diversity in the legal profession.
San Francisco can and will build more housing, and we are going to do it the right way. That means housing for our workers, our first responders, teachers, and yes, our students. This project proves that progress is possible, and I am so excited for the teachers and the students who will soon call this building home. Let's go UC Law, and let's go San Francisco.